It's finally time to remake this ice cream. I'll be using this color combination for the layers and the cone to create something delicious. I finished now the first layer, and now I'm going to add the second layer. All done. Now for the third layer. I think these colors look great and delicious. Now let's start on the cone. Let's get this thing stuffed up. Finishing all the last ends. All done! It looks delicious. So which one do you think came out better? My first attempt or my second attempt? Let me know in the comments. All the best!